Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 9.4 question number 3, that is simplify. Let us find question number 1. Question number 1 here you see is that is x square minus 5 into x plus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25, that we are getting x square into x plus 5 x plus 5 minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25 plus 25. We are getting x square and x, that is x cube, plus 5x square minus 5x minus 5 5 is 25 plus 25 plus 25, right? That we are getting here as plus 25 minus 25, that we are getting x cube plus 5x square minus 5x, and that is the answer of question number 1, that is x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Let's solve question number 2. Here you see question number 2 here is question number 2 that is a square plus 5 into b cube plus 3 plus 5, that we are getting a square into b cube plus 3 plus 5 into b cube plus 3 plus 5. Then we are getting a square b cube plus 3a square 3a square plus 5 b cube plus 3 5 is 15 plus 5, right? That we are getting a square, therefore we are getting a square b cube plus 3a square plus 3a square plus 5b cube plus 5b cube plus 15 plus 5 is 20 plus 20, and that is the answer of question number 2. Therefore the answer is a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube plus 20. Now we solve question number 3. Now question number 3 here you see is, we will solve question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is, this is question number 3, that is t plus s square into t square minus s. This is s square, right? I will write here as t into t square minus x plus s square into t square minus s. Therefore, we are getting t square into 2, it is t cube minus ts plus s square t square minus s cube, right? Therefore, the answer is t cube minus ts plus s square t square minus s cube. That is the answer of question number 3. Now we solve question number 4. We'll solve question number 4. Here you see, question number 4 is question number 4. That is this one. Question number 4. Here you see question number 4. That is a plus b. A plus b into c minus d plus a minus b into c plus d plus 2 ac plus bd. AC plus BD. Therefore, we are getting A into C minus D plus B into C minus D plus A into C plus D minus B into C plus D plus 2AC plus 2BD. Therefore, we are getting AC minus AD plus BC minus BD plus AC plus AD minus BC minus BD plus 2AC plus 2BD plus 2BD. Now here you see this AC is 1 AC, this is AC 2 AC, and this AC. Here you see that is AC plus AC plus 2 AC right? AD 1 2 AD is there, this plus AD and minus AD will cut, right? Now BC plus BC minus BC will cut. Now BD, here you see minus BD, 2BD, that is minus 2BD minus 2BD plus 2BD plus 2BD. This will also cut, and we are getting the answer as 2, 3, 4 AC. That is the answer of question number 4. Right, dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.